Before we continue with our custom list view, let's make a quick recap of what we done before. We created my list item.xml file that contains only one text view, and it's a customized text view. We created it as 48 SP size, and the color is red. So all the items of the list view will be in this form. Then we created this list view in the main activity.xml file, and we created this class called my custom adapter that extends base adapter. It contains two variables, the context and the strings array called items. This items is acting as the data source. We created the constructor in order to pass the items from the main activity when we create an instance of this adapter. When extending the base adapter, we need to implement four methods: the get count, get item ID, and get view. Get count method returns the number of items in your data source. We put items.length. The get item returns the data item at a given position, and here we return items at the position, index position. Get item ID returns a unique identifier for the item at the given position, and we return the position that we passed as a parameter. Get view, this is used for displaying the data at a position in the data set. We created the convert view and the ViewHolder class. The first step in creating and implementing the ViewHolder pattern is to create the static class called ViewHolder, which is inside the class my custom adapter. It's an inner static class containing and holding the references to the views within an item layout. So since we have my list item, we have only one text view, we need to create a reference for this text view in the view holder. Then we move to the get view, created an instance from it. We have two options. When you're scrolling through a list, views that go off screen are recycled so they can be reused for new items that are coming onto the screen. The convert view parameter represents one of these recycled views. Its purpose is to minimize the overhead of inflating and finding views for each item, which can be resource intensive and impact performance. We have two possibilities. One, if it is recycled and reused, and the second is new view. If it is a new view, go and create a new view for this item. If it is created, just go and recycle. Then we set the data to the view and bind it and returning to the convert view. Now let's go to the main activity. The first step is the adapter view, which is the list view we created before, and I'm finding that it is created in the activity_main.xml file. The second step is the data source, and this is an array list of countries. So this is the adapter view, this is the UI component, this is the list view, and this is the data source. I need to combine them together using the bridge, which is the adapter. So the third step, I need to remove this array adapter. I don't need to create an array adapter. I need to use my custom adapter that we created. So I remove this and I'll create a new instance from our custom adapter. My custom adapter equal new custom my custom adapter, and here I need to pass two parameters, the context and the data source, which is a string array, this and the countries. And that's it. Let's run our application. And congratulations, this is our list view populated with items from the countries array list or data source, each using the custom layout defined in my list item.xml file. So adapters provide flexibility to customize how data is presented. You can create custom layouts for each item, apply different styles, and define interactions based on your app's requirements.